In a world dominated by cutting-edge technology, there's one often overlooked hero that silently battles the daily grime, smudges, and fingerprints, transforming the mundane into the magnificent. Meet the Glass Guardian, a sleek and savvy gadget designed to redefine the way you see the world through crystal-clear windows. The Glass Guardian isn't just a run-of-the-mill glass cleaner, it's a superhero in disguise, ready to rescue your windows from the clutches of dirt and smears. Imagine a trusty sidekick, always at your beck and call, armed with the power to make your windows shine like diamonds. This gadget isn't just about wiping away streaks, it's about unveiling the true beauty that lies beyond the glass. Let's start with its design, a masterpiece of elegance and functionality. The Glass Guardian doesn't just clean, it does so with style. With its slim, ergonomic body, it fits comfortably in your hand, making you feel like a superhero yourself as you embark on your mission for spotless windows. The design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about giving you the power to conquer grime effortlessly. But what truly sets the Glass Guardian apart is its arsenal of advanced features. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning methods that leave you exhausted and frustrated. This gadget is equipped with a high-tech, precision-engineered cleaning system that effortlessly eradicates dirt, leaving your windows sparkling with unparalleled brilliance. The Glass Guardian boasts a state-of-the-art microfiber cleaning pad, a secret weapon against even the most stubborn stains. This pad doesn't just wipe, it caresses your windows, lifting away dirt with a gentle touch that belies its true strength. It's like a spa day for your windows, and they'll thank you by gleaming like never before. As you power up the Glass Guardian, you're not just turning on a device, you're awakening a force to be reckoned with. The built-in smart sensor technology scans your window's surface, identifying trouble spots and adjusting its cleaning strategy accordingly. It's like having a personal assistant that knows exactly where to focus its efforts for maximum impact. But what about those hard-to-reach places, you ask? Fear not, for the Glass Guardian comes equipped with a telescopic arm that extends its reach, allowing you to conquer every inch of your windows, even the ones that have eluded your cleaning endeavors in the past. It's like the superhero stretching to new heights to save the day. One might wonder, what about the environment? The Glass Guardian isn't just a friend to your windows, it's a friend to Mother Earth too. Its eco-friendly cleaning solution is tough on grime but gentle on the planet. No more harsh chemicals that leave you with a headache and a guilty conscience. The Glass Guardian believes in cleaning with kindness, ensuring that your windows and the environment stay pristine. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Glass Guardian isn't limited to windows alone. With its adaptable design and innovative accessories, it transforms into a multi-purpose cleaning marvel. From glass tables to mirrors, shower doors to glass cabinets, this gadget is your all-in-one solution for a spotless, streak-free existence. As you glide the Glass Guardian across your windows, you'll notice the effortless motion, the seamless dance of technology and design working in harmony. It's not just a cleaning routine, it's a performance. The gentle hum of the motor, the smooth glide of the cleaning pad, it's like a symphony of cleanliness that turns the chore of window cleaning into an art form. But what's a hero without a personality? The Glass Guardian isn't just a silent warrior, it's a charismatic companion on your cleaning quests. With its LED display and intuitive controls, it communicates with you, guiding you through the cleaning process like a wise mentor. It's the Alfred to your Batman, the Jarvis to your Iron Man, a reliable companion in the battle against dirt. And let's not forget about the future. The Glass Guardian isn't just a gadget for today, it's a visionary for tomorrow. With its upgradable firmware and compatibility with emerging technologies, it's ready to evolve alongside your needs. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in a cleaner, clearer future.